In front of me is REALME 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. To paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and tap on pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can either swipe it to the right or hold it and tap on delete option. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!